Hey guys, Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do this DIY of a princess inspired wine glass. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here we have Aurora, the Sleeping Beauty, but of course instead of Sleeping Beauty, it is Drinking Beauty, and I think it is absolutely adorable. So of course here I am just making sure that all of my files are in correct colors. And here I have my CRICUT maker, the machine that I'm going to be using to cut all the vinyls. Since I am using a permanent vinyl, I will be choosing the settings vinyl and pressure will be default. And you will see me here, I speed it up a bit and you can see me changing colors here and there. That is because the layout comes in different colors. Alright, so now that we're done with the cutting, we just cut them into, of course, the size, and we are going to weed out all of the things that are not needed, and the things that we are going to stick on the wine glass would stay on the paper. And as you can see, I'm just weeding all the things that I do not need to be on the wine glass. And you have to be careful because sometimes it can be very fragile, especially if the vinyl are very thin. So just take your time, weed it out properly, and make sure that you don't break the vinyl by going too fast. Okay, so since we are using a very fragile glass, you have to make sure that you put this somewhere soft like a blanket, so in case it moves around, it doesn't break or fall. And this is what I did. I used this blanket and to make sure that it is secure and will not break. And now prepare your transfer paper to transfer all of the stickers to the wine glass. And here I just cut out a tiny piece that could go onto the stickers. And here I am, and I need something very solid surface to kind of, flatten it out and stick it to the transfer paper. Now mind you, putting a sticker on a rounded object is very difficult unless you're not used to it, or unless you're very used to it, then it's probably very easy for you. But it's very difficult because you tend to have bubbles, or you have to put them in, like, you know, they get wrinkles and stuff like that. So there's a lot of things that could go wrong if your object is not flat. So you have to take your time, make sure that you take out the air bubbles, use a squeegee, and just take your time. Alright, so that is all done. So of course, make sure that you let this sit for at least 24 hours so that the adhesive get to sit on the wine glass. Let it rest, let it cure. Do not use it right off the bat because you're gonna risk of letting the vinyl come off of the wine glass. Even though it is a permanent vinyl, it needs time to cure. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!